Good evening to
one and all present here. Good evening to one
and all present here. Myself, Atharva Bhanarkar.
Myself, Natik Gagnani.
There are heroes who carry swords, and then there are heroes who carry hope. Tonight, we tell the story of a man who transformed barren sandbags into a living paradise. Not with machines, not with monies, but with his hands, his heart, and his unshakable dedication.
He planted one sapling, then another and another, every day under the burning sun. Through floods and storms, he continued planting. No audience, no applause, no spotlight, just a single man and his belief that one person can bring change.
So, ladies and gentlemen, prepare your heart for a story of hope, nature, and transformation. So, put your hands together for the forest man of India.
A land once alive now breathes in silence. Forests that kissed the sky have fallen into dust. Winds drift without a song. Rivers remember what they were. In this aching quiet, nature waits for the heartbeat strong enough to begin again.
कर्म की कोख ही जन्म का द्वार है, यही संसार का सार है। सुख की न ये धरा ये मझधार है, यही संसार का सार है। कर्ण की गागर का खेल कैसा के पाप धूले पश्चाताप ना धुले।
Hope arrives softly, not with a forest, but with a seed. One hand, one movement, and the sleeping earth stirs. Days become seasons, seasons become years. One seed became 10, 10 became 1,000. Sun, storm, flood, nothing stopped the silent soldier. While the world looked away, he rebuilt life, leaf by leaf, root by root.
चल मोड़ दे उसका पंजारा। सात आसमां चीरे अब सात समंदर धीरे, चल सात सुरों में कर दे ये ऐलान। हिम्मत है तो रोको और जुर्रत है तो मानो, रे आज हथेली में रखती है जान। खून में तेरे मिट्टी, मिट्टी में तेरा खून, खून में तेरे मिट्टी, मिट्टी में तेरा खून। ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती बीच में तेरा जुनून, रे सुल्तान।
A man who chose action over applause. A man who proved one human can heal the earth. Yes, he is the forest man of India.
Let me tell you a story. It's about a man who's extraordinary. A superhero from when he was young. Make a note, the name is Jadhav Payang. From the land of India, a place called Assam, this humble man made a barren land blossom. his land, swallowed by erosion, took a stand and jumped into action. Thought so clear, no confusion. His country, his home, no delusion. 64 now and he ain't quitting. He started planting from the age of 13, right by the Brahmaputra. This man followed only one sutra. Walk, 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 dig, dig, dig. Plant, 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 branch, branch, branch. Walk, 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 dig, dig, dig. Plant, 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 branch, branch, branch. Day after day he paved the way. A branch he would slay for a forest to stay. It's not only the soil but the effort and soul. His system is strong, not one loophole. From dead snakes that were no longer hissing to elephants and tigers, no animals missing. A legend to be reckoned with, breaking every single job that refused to rest. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Moonlight Forest. If you think he's done, think again, son. He's moving on to create another one. When things go cold, he'll change the world. Seed by seed, he did the deed. There's no stopping his planting spree. He was recognized with the Padma Shri. He'll make you believe that you can, for he is India's forest man.
What was going on in his head? Well, this is what he said.
पेड़ को गुनागुन पेड़ के नाम जाना, ये प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज यही फॉरेस्ट में रहता है। इसके लिए मैं महाधोती को प्यार करने वाला सिखाने मेरा सब्जेक्ट है, इसके लिए कर रहा। धरती के देखभाल जिम्मेदारी है हमारी, चलिए निभाते साथ मिलके। धरती के सुरक्षा यानी जीवन का सुरक्षा।
Remember this, hope began quietly, in one heart, in one seed. If one man can grow a forest, imagine what we can grow together. As long as a single seed survives, the world will always rise again.